Welcome to our Gimbal Showdown. Today we're comparing two exciting smartphone gimbals, the AOCHUAN XPRO KIT and the hohem iSteady M7. Both gimbals promise to enhance your video recording experience, but they come with different features and price points. Let's dive into the details and see which one might be the right fit for you. When it comes to price, the AOCHUAN XPRO KIT is priced at $115, making it a budget-friendly option for those looking to get into smartphone stabilization. On the other hand, the hohem iSteady M7 comes in at $299, which reflects its more advanced features and capabilities. If you're on a tight budget, the AOCHUAN XPRO KIT is a great choice, but if you're looking for premium features, the hohem iSteady M7 might be worth the investment. In terms of features, the AOCHUAN XPRO KIT offers essential capabilities such as an OLED display, magnetic RGB fill light, and gesture control. However, the hohem iSteady M7 takes it a step further with its detachable touchscreen remote, AI tracking, and built-in extension rod. These advanced features make the hohem iSteady M7 a more versatile tool for content creators who need more control over their shots. Design-wise, the AOCHUAN XPRO KIT is compact and foldable, making it easy to carry around. In contrast, the hohem iSteady M7 features a more robust design with a built-in extension rod that allows for versatile shooting angles. While the XPRO KIT is great for portability, the iSteady M7's design caters to those who require flexibility in their filming setup. In conclusion, both the AOCHUAN XPRO KIT and hohem iSteady M7 have their unique strengths. The XPRO KIT is perfect for budget-conscious users looking for essential features, while the iSteady M7 caters to those who want advanced capabilities and are willing to invest more. Whichever you choose, both gimbals will help you capture stunning videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.